Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we are here to do some deals for the week of the 6th through the 12th of November, and I'm super excited to be back at Walgreens. It's been about 4 weeks, but I do have some spend boosters. I have I have 2 accounts that have boosters on them, and they're both spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So we're definitely going to be utilizing those. I have another deal that I want to do where I just want to pay in some Walgreens cash to lower the out-of-pocket and then get back some real cash for that. So super excited about that deal. I also did a best deals video for this week, last week, and I'll link it up in the corner. I can never remember which corner that the little thing pops out at. I think it's this one over here, and I always think it's this one over here, but anyways, that will be linked for you as well. There will be more deals in that. The only one that isn't entirely accurate is because it changed between the time that I uploaded that and I think it's Sunday that it changed, is the Lysol deal. When I made that video on Thursday last week, the deal was for Walgreens. They changed some of the stores and now it's not available. The Lysol deal is not available for Walgreens anymore, which is unfortunate because that would have been a crazy good deal. But anyways, guys, that's all I have to blab about at the beginning of the video. So let's go inside and see what we can do.
So the first thing we're going to do is try out a glitch. And of course, these are never guaranteed. They could stop between the time that I grab them and the time I put them in the cart. So it's on the Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste. They're on sale for $4 and they're part of a promotion where you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. But the glitch is if you buy 3 of them, you will get back 2 $5 register rewards. So the 3 of them equal out to $12, and we're going to use 3 $2 off coupons from the November P&G, and then that will bring our total down to $6. We'll pay that with either Walgreens cash or real money, and then we will get back $10, making them a $4 moneymaker. And of course, I will let you know how that goes. Next, we're going to grab this air wick. This is all over the world that this is going on, but it does work for the vanilla and the papaya as well. I'm going to grab one of these for $10.99. We have a $5 digital coupon and a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. And that is an insane deal. So next I'm going to do the Band-Aid promotion where you spend $25, you get back $10 in Walgreens cash. There are a few other things included, but I'm not focusing on those today. And these are buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to get this box for $12.99. The next box I grab gave me trouble. It's not tagged. So if yours isn't tagged in your store, I wouldn't grab this one either. But just make sure you get $25 worth of qualifying items. Now my cashier did price modify that one for me for $5.98. Then I'm going to grab another box here for $5.49, and then I grab an additional box because I realized I was short. So that one rang up for $2.74. So those are the 4 items that I am grabbing. They will equal out to $27.20. We don't have any coupons, so we would pay all of that out of pocket. We're then going to get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and we're also going to submit our receipt to the new Winter Wellness Activate Rewards promotion, where when you spend $25, you'll get back a $10 Visa card. So I am also going to pair everything in with a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash booster. And I did throw in that candy bar there just to get me up over the $50 mark. So now we're going to go check out.
So I do want to tell you before, I know this sounds different because I didn't voice over this part, but I do want to tell you before I continue on, the Burt's Bees did give me 2 different register rewards. So I'm definitely going to be using those today.
Next, we're going to do a promotion on the Oral-B battery-powered toothbrushes, and they're priced at $15.99 on sale. But when you look at the tag here, it says spend $50, get back $20 in Walgreens cash, but it's actually spend $50, get back $15 in Walgreens cash, unfortunately. Anywho, so we're going to grab 4 of these at $15.99 a piece. So the 4 of them would equal out to $63.96. I grabbed 2 of these toothbrushes, but then instead I decided I was going to grab this toothbrush here. It's rechargeable it's not battery powered, and the coupon wasn't going to attach to it. So I went and I put it back, and I grabbed 2 more of the battery powered toothbrushes. I do have in my Google Doc another scenario that you can do with this promotion if you don't want to get 4 battery powered toothbrushes. That actually works out to be pretty cheap as well. But like I said, the 4 of these equal out to $63.96. I am going to use 1 $2 digital coupon and 3 $2 paper coupons from the November P&G. So that's going to bring my total down to $55.96. I also have a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and I'm going to stack it with the spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster. I'm also going to use those $5 register rewards that I just showed you on this transaction as well, just to lower my out-of-pocket a little bit. I also should get back a $6 register reward for a double dip that has been going on. And then I'm going to submit my receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com website for a rebate back of $15 when you spend $50 after coupons. And I do explain at the end of the video why I think I'm getting a $15 gift card and not the $5 gift card. So after getting everything back, the total for the 4 toothbrushes here should equal out to 96 cents. But we'll see how it all works out after we do all of our transactions. So next I'm going to do the Aveeno. I'm doing this on a separate transaction by itself because I don't have any boosters or anything like that, and I just want to use some Walgreens cash, and I'm going to be converting that Walgreens cash into actual cash. So the Aveeno is part of the skincare promotion where you buy 2, you get the 3rd one for free, and I am going to grab 3 of the $12.99 bottles of daily moisturizing lotion. So 2 of them are going to equal out to $25.98, and then the 3rd one will be for free. So I bought a rebate for this kind here, but you may have other Ibotta rebates. The only other Ibotta rebate that I have that would work for this promotion is this new kind right here that's pretty expensive. So I'm going to just go with the daily moisturizing. So like I said, the 3 bottles will cost me $25.98. I still have some $2 printable coupons that I got from the Aveeno website. There are some from coupons.com that are still available to use but not to print. So we're going to use 2 of these because we can't use a 3rd one on the free item. That's going to bring our total down to $21.98. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $2 on each one of these bottles. Then we're going to submit our receipt to the Winter Wellness Activate Rewards promotion. We're spending $25 here. And since we're spending $25 before the coupons, we'll get back a $10 Visa card. So we're taking $20 in Walgreens cash and converting it over to $16 in real cash. I think that's pretty good. So anyways, after the Ibotta rebate and the Visa gift card, that's going to make all 3 bottles just $5.58. So that's everything. So let's go out to the vehicle and see how everything went.
All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and there were a few issues. One of them, well, I thought there were 3 issues, but there was 2, and one of them was just me, I guess. I don't know. I think it's the store's problem, but we'll talk about that. So if you haven't watched any of my videos in a few weeks, you know that I went out of town, and then I was really, really sick for a few weeks, and I tried my hardest to get a few videos out, but I didn't want to overdo it and make my sickness prolonging, if that makes sense. I didn't want to prolong it. So I just did CVS, and then I did Walmart, and then I'm just gradually getting back into the swing of things. And this week is going to be a typical regular week because I haven't been feeling sick really for the past few days. You know what I mean? I've been feeling like myself. I still have a nagging cough, and that sucks. So we're just going to just edit out a lot of coughing. So we'll talk about the Aveeno first because the Aveeno was an easy transaction for me. There was no rewards back, and there was no issues or anything like that. So I got 2 Aveeno lotion, or 3 Aveeno lotion. Here are my 2 coupons that come off. My total was $21.98. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket. So I only paid $3.54 out of pocket. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $6 for the Aveeno, $2 for each one. And then I'll get back a $10 Visa card for spending $25 on certain items for the Activate Rewards promotion. So very good deal there. And the final cost for the 3 big bottles is $5.58, and those will definitely go to good use. So I definitely wanted to show you guys that deal. And then on that transaction, I got a funky, really long thing right here that just says, thank you for your Aveeno purchase, and then half of it is 2 different manufacturer coupons. And they're $3 manufacturer coupons for daily moisturizing cream or facial cleanser, or $3 on an Aveeno bath product. So I hope I can use them. I mean, the Activate Rewards promotion is still going on, so I might be able to do this again next week. So happy with that. So then we'll talk about the next promotion. And like I said, like in between the 2 transactions that I was filming, the Burt's Bees did glitch for me, so that's completely fabulous. The only thing is I probably grabbed the wrong Band-Aid products, because one of my Band-Aid products did not trigger the buy one, get one 50% off. So she price modified it for me, but then I did not get back the Walgreens cash. And it's like the only Band-Aid that's not tagged. Of course I grabbed that one. So they did issue me the $10 for the Band-Aids. But I would not grab one that doesn't have a tag on it. I swear that happens to me all the time. But you know what? You just assume that they didn't tag them all. You know what I mean? I don't know, because a lot of times you don't know if they've gotten all of the tags or not. And we'll talk about more tags in a second. So I just assumed that that one was included. But they made it right, and then I can let you guys know what's happening. So on this transaction, of course, I got the Band-Aid, I got the Burt's Bees and the Airwick, and then I put in a little filler of a candy bar. All 3 of my Burt's Bees coupons worked totally fine, and then I had a $5 digital coupon for the Airwick. So that brought my total down to $40.48. I got back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the Band-Aids, and 10 for the spend booster that I had. I didn't have any register rewards or paper boosters or anything like that, because this was the first transaction that I did. I got back 2 of those $5 register rewards. I'll get back a $10 Visa card for the Band-Aids. And then I got back $5 on Ibotta for the Airwick. So that transaction was free and a $4.52 moneymaker. And who could be unhappy with that? The only thing is that I made a mistake on the Band-Aids. And like I said before, you just never know, because sometimes stuff isn't marked. It's mismarked, because in the next transaction, that was the problem. On that transaction, I also got back an advertisement for a new Catalina promotion. It's buy any 3 Act, Cortisone 10, Gold Bond, or Selsum Blue products between the 7th and the 27th of November. It just says buy 3, get $5 back. And I would be interested in the Act right there, but probably not the other items. And so if you're interested in that, there is a Catalina promotion. It says there's a couple exclusions on here, but yeah, that's a Catalina promotion. So for the next transaction, I got the 4 Oral-B toothbrushes. Now, like I was talking about with, sometimes things are mismarked. It said spend $50, get back $20 in Walgreens cash. It's not. It's $15, and I thought I couldn't figure out what was going on with the amount of Walgreens cash that I had gotten. But it says online, and it does, spend $50, get back $15. And for whatever reason, I thought with the toothbrushes it was $20 and not the $15. But anywho, so I didn't get back $20 in Walgreens cash like I had said in the video. I got back $15. So that is unfortunate that those are the wrong tags. And this is not the only store that it's like that at. It's like that at all the local stores that I go to. And I go to several. So I don't know why that is. The only issue with this transaction was that I didn't get that additional $6 register reward. So they gave me $6 in Walgreens cash. We all know that sometimes these deals are a risk. So I got 4 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, and I did use 3 $2 paper coupons and a $1 digital coupon. So, and that would bring my total down to $55.96. I got back $34.63 in Walgreens cash. $10 for my digital booster, $9 for my paper booster that I got in my previous transaction. Then I got back the $6 as well in Walgreens cash, but it should be a registered reward. And then here's my thinking. I do believe I should get back a $15 gift card from the P&G fall rebate, and here's why. After my coupons, my total is $55.96, above the $50 mark, so I should get back a $15 gift card. So I'm including it that way, and I'll die on that hill because that's how it should be. I did use $10 in register rewards, and that might affect it. If it does, it does. But I'm almost positive I will get a $15 gift card. So that would make that transaction after everything just 96 cents, and that is phenomenal. So we're switching the kids over to these type of toothbrushes. Eventually, when they get a little bit older, we'll get them nicer toothbrushes, the electric toothbrushes, but we're all switching over to these. And then I got another one of these to use for next week, so that makes me super duper happy. Or if I figure out something to do later on in the week. So those were the issues that I had this week. Not terrible. Digital coupons come off, although I didn't have a lot of digitals either, but all that come off totally fine. So I'm really happy with everything, and I'm getting back like $10, $20, $35 in actual cash. Plus I got back an additional $11 on Ibotta. So I think that's incredible when I can get that much back in actual cash. Granted, I got a lot of Walgreens cash back today as well, but you know what I mean? I'm really happy with everything. The one thing I wanted to get this week is I wanted to get the Native body wash, but it wouldn't really work well into this, the scenarios that I had. So I'm hoping I can do it next week. But the Native body wash is buy 2, get 4, and it's like that until the end of December. So I have time to fit it into a transaction. So anyways, guys, that is, oh, I got to tell you my total. So my total for everything after it's all said and done was $2.02. So I'm good with that. And I don't mind spending a little bit higher out of pocket if I'm going to be getting quite a bit back. So I'm getting back like $46 in cash. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And thank you for coming back and watching a Walgreens video of mine. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Then I'm going to, submit my receipt to, nope. So for the next promotion, I got back $34.63 in Walgreens cash. 10 for my paper booster. No, it's not a paper booster. Then I got an additional $6, which it should be a register reward. So this oh my gosh, I can't talk. So I got back that. And then here's my thinking. I should get back the $15 P&G coupon.